Hi everyone, today I'm gonna give you tips for photo shooting using your mobile phone. Okay, my tips are in terms of distance between you and your subject. There is three main different distancing. For example, like a middle distance is a normal one, and close up and long shot. So just middle shot is just normal, just middle, not close too much and not long, just middle shot. Just take a pic. So on this occasion, you can take a pic the subject including the background, and the far side is like a long shot. You're gonna take a distance from your subject and you're gonna take a pic. So on this occasion, you can take the subject, but some more background is included. Okay, another one is just close up. So that one is almost subject fills your image area. So I'm gonna show what I took. So this is normal one, and this is long shot, and this is close up. Okay, you can use distancing technique on your photography that makes difference. Okay, it's your turn. Just take pics. Bye.